What up, guys? Hello, hello. We'll get started in like 4 or 5 minutes, all right? Post some tickers, questions, like it up, and I'll get with you in a minute. Yo, yo, yo. What up, guys? Hello, hello, hello. Let me just sort my screen out. Cool. Check in. Nice. Lovely. All right. What up? What up? Let me go through all the Twitter call requests, okay? And then I'll get back to you guys. Hollow is flying, apparently. Well, I don't see it flying. Where is it flying to? Because I don't see any flies. Hollow's just in this demand zone. I know it's halted up, news pending, or whatever the hell's going on. Reverse split or something, no? Or was that maxing? Demand zone. Come on, guys, let's get a lot of people in here. Let's get a lot of people in here. I'm back. I am back. ALTM, everybody just ignore that play. The stock is already priced in. It's not going to be moving. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. 10 likes. Come on, guys. Get to 100. 100 likes we're getting today. No excuses. I'm staying on here until we get to 100 likes. So whether we get to 100 likes or not, I am staying here. It's very easy to do. It's not difficult. Okay, so just be aware that I will be here until we get 100 likes. Tell your ex-girlfriend, ex-boyfriend, wife, husband, whoever, get them in here. CTCX needs downtrend break. Rightio, Wint. Let me have a peek at Wint. I don't think there's much volume. Wint. Nothing on Wint. Ooh, nasty color. This is a terrible chart. Like, this thing's down 14% yesterday. A load of trash. Just avoid it. 122 maybe? Actually here. What is this? 117 break. Wait for 117 to enter. Wait for 117 break and close to enter. Alright? There you go. Thank you. UNCY, let me have a look. This thing's a pump and dump. It doesn't really hold its gains ever. Guys, post some questions, tickers, all that. I'll get back to you. I'm just going through some stuff here on Twitter. Then I'll get back to you guys, all right? UNCY does look good based on a larger time frame, which is the 4 hour I have here. We have falling wedge. Looks good. With some volume, this should break out. You have a demand zone around here as well. Lovely. Right, no messing around today, guys. 100 likes. It's easy to do so. We should be getting about 500 people in here somehow. I have 20,000 followers, and I have about 1,000 people looking at my posts every single day as soon as I post it. So I don't know what everyone is doing. UNCY expecting breakout. I mean, more than 1,000, but I get like 1,000 at least in the first like 10 minutes. FFIE, let me have a peek. FFIE, nothing less 320, as I keep saying every day. So save this 320, you get 320, you enter. FFIE, no entries unless 320 break and close above. Right? FFIE is very bearish. Why are you going to buy? Look, I'll even just show you the trend. Look, downtrend, bearish, ugly. No, 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 no. FIE, high tiger, hollow. Hollow, I don't know what's happening with that because it's halted, so I don't know what the price is going to open up. Xpon, another one like this. Both halted, can't predict, sadly. Can't predict a halted play, guys. Cannot predict, I don't know. All right, I am all caught up. So now we can get to everyone's questions. How many likes we got? Guys, we got 23 likes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Guys, we can get more than this. I know we can. I know we can. It's easy. We can do it. Push it, push it, push it. Push it, push it, push it to the limit, limit, limit. Push it, push it, push it to the limit. What up? Hello, what up, Trust Landon? Roses, what up? Abdo, what up, brother? What up, Kevin? Hope to make some money. No hoping. Remove the word hope and just say make some money today. Remove that word hope from your vocab and just say make some money today. What up, Fig, bro? Tiger, let's make the kitties roar. Yes, sir. Should be at 31 likes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. CTCX is dead at the moment. Yes. Will it come up? I don't know. We will not know until the downtrend breaks. That is why, guys, I cannot tell you what price to enter at because I don't know if it's going to break and close above 0.5 here, all the way down here, down here. I don't know. Just draw the downtrend, use the 5-minute time frame, wait for a candle to close above, and you enter like this. You just need the candle to close above like this. The body needs to close above. Okay, then you can take the entry. If the body does not close above and it rejects like this, you do not enter the trade. Okay, body needs to close above. Wherever that is, I don't know. You have to wait. Good morning, Christian. What up? 41 people. Rhyme, rhyme, rhyme. Rhyme, rhyme, rhyme. Rhyme is crushed all the levels. Looks good. Rhyme looks good. So look here. Rhyme's very simple to do. Draw the downtrend like this. Maybe it's in a falling wedge actually. Looks pretty good. Let me have a look at something quickly. If it closes above VWAP, you can enter the trade. I'll put it on Twitter for you guys. Rhyme. If this closes above VWAP, you can enter the trade. Press 1 if you do not understand what this means, so I can explain to you, then I will go on to the next chart. But this is what you need to understand. 1, 1, 1, press 1, press 1, press 1. I will wait. I will wait, because I know there will be some people who don't know. You know? One, Carmen does not know how to do it. So this is VWAP. Okay, VWAP acts as an area of resistance or support. The fact whenever a stock is below VWAP, which is this green line, it is bearish. This means this is resistance now. Okay, so in order for this to break and close above, that would be your entry. So we have VWAP here. It's the same as if I draw this as I always do, like this, you know, like this. Same thing. If a candle closes above this, okay, like I've shown here, I'll put this in orange, the candle. If the candle closes above this resistance, okay, that is your entry point. It is exactly the same thing for Rhyme here. This VWAP acts as the same as a resistance line. If the candle closes above this, you can take your entry. If a stock is above VWAP, right, let's say the stock is up here and it's coming down to, let's say this is VWAP, then it will usually use as support and push up, okay? If it is below VWAP, right, it will go to VWAP and it will usually come down. That is why you're not going to buy here, and if it's expected to go down, you do not enter. You wait for it to close above, then you can enter, all right? That is what it is. That is what it is. Cool. So everybody understand that? If not, go back and listen to what I just said. All right. Good morning, CTXX, WW. WW was nice, yeah. Very nice falling wedge, simple setup on this. I saw it late. I was busy chilling out. But yeah, these are next levels. 185, $2 next. It's going to probably pull back. So look, this is above VWAP now, right? We can see that. So it breaks above VWAP. Here's VWAP. Should pull back to VWAP here and then maybe push to the upside, all right? Watch it, see what happens. CTCX, nothing on this. It's still bearish. CTCX is bearish. There's no reason to enter. If it breaks the downtrend, enter. Yes, FFIE, I went over that. Please go back and have a look. ICCT had no volume the last time I looked at it. If you're looking for an entry on this, yeah, there is nothing on this. 0.5 maybe, nothing else. 23, MLGO, good morning, Tiger. What's going on with Buru? I'm not too sure, bro. I mean, this thing, I gave this Twitter, I mean, I think Hassie alerted it in the Discord. I gave it as a setup for you guys in the Discord as well. I even put it on Twitter at 0.6 yesterday. I literally gave it over here somewhere. Yeah, I gave over here. I gave you that special yellow line, like goes like that, and look what happened. It ran crazy. But now, right now, there is nothing on it. It is at an area of support, possibly around here. I wouldn't be entering. If I'm looking for an entry, maybe above 145. Okay, so 145 break and close, entry. 145. Yes, bro, I'll see you in the Discord. If you're looking between 5-minute demand zone and a better one, 15 minutes below, how do you know which one to enter? I lost an OTRK yesterday. The thing is, right, the demand zone is not, I don't just enter because it's a demand zone. That gives me one confluence. That's one confluence and indicates there is a possible reversal. Personally, I'm never going to enter a trade just because it's in a demand zone. I need my other confluences that I teach in the Discord. Once I get those, then I will maybe consider an entry in the demand zone. Okay? I only use the 5-minute demand zone. I don't use any other time frame of a demand zone because I'm a day trader. If it goes below, let's say this demand zone here, I will just use the next one below, maybe around here. That's simply how I'll do it. If it closes below here, candle closes below here, then this is the next valid demand zone around there. That's how I do it. All right. But it's not going to just work every time. It's going to be it won't be that much of a profitable strategy if you're just simply using it based on a demand zone. Unless you can get other confluences, that's fine. Personally, I wouldn't do it. What do you think of ICCT? Nothing on ICCT. 0.5 I just mentioned. How did Hollow go? It's a reverse split, bro. Hollow halted 520. Yeah, reverse split. BNZI going crazy. Let me have a look. Yes, BNZI is crazy. This is a very easy trade to do because there's nothing to do. If you are going to enter here, you have no brains. Okay? Whether you like it or not, that's the truth. You have no brains. You are chasing, you are FOMOing, you're doing everything that you should not do as a trader. If you enter here, there is a 99% chance that you'll probably lose because you've probably bought at the top. And then if it comes down 10%, what are you going to do? Keep trying to buy, average down until it gets down to here. And then you're going to be sad and freaking out because you knew that it was going to do this in the first place, but you entered because you thought it was going to go up. If you think a stock's going to go up, you're probably going to lose 99% of the time. All right, so just remove it. Learn and understand why you're entering a trade. If your reasoning is because it's up 115%, you need to go back to the drawing board and understand how to trade. Okay, so never, ever buy a stock when it's at the highest point of the day because that is chasing, FOMOing. Leave it alone. Look and understand why and where you need to enter. One tip and a very simple way to do it is draw the downtrend. Let the stock come down. It will come down. I will put 1 zillion, gabillion, villion, rillion dollars that it will come down. It has to come down. Stocks go up and they go down. Okay, so look what's happening. Go to the 1 minute time frame. What do we see? We see that the stock is going down. Now, if we are looking for an entry, the trend needs to break. So this means a candle needs to close above here, and then you can enter for a continuation to the upside. But if you're going to buy now, there is no confirmation. Unless you have a magical indicator, go ahead. What up, what up? Hello. Right, we are at 31 likes. We need to get to at least 100 today. Otherwise, I will not be doing YouTube anymore. Lives. Made $1,000. Love it. Totes should be in the Discord. Should be in the Discord with us. Get in the Discord if you're not already. What's happened on OTRK yesterday? I have no idea. I didn't really... This thing got absolutely rocked yesterday. I lost on this trade, but then I made up on it. Well, I sold Buru way too early. And then, I don't know what other trade stock I traded. I traded two. I traded one with Hassie, one of Hassie's alerts. OTRK, wait for 292. Right now it's bearish, down 10%. Literally in 3 seconds, could hit the buy and sell fast enough. Well done. Seems like a little bit of a gamble, but yeah, if it worked for you, well done. I want to ask you a different question. How does your routine look before and after trading look like? Very simple how I trade. Okay, when pre-market opens, all I do is I open up Webull, right? Once I open up Webull, I look at the top gainers every single morning. So 4 hours and 40 minutes ago, pre-market opens. I add all of the top gainers to my watch list and the former runners from yesterday and the day before. Okay, and I just build my watch list through there. From there, I then look at the charts and I look for my entries. That's kind of what I do every morning. But since I run a Discord with myself and Hassie, I obviously give setups and alerts and things like that during pre-market as I'm available because I am in Dubai and it's later here. But if it was my choice and my normal routine, what I would do if I didn't have a Discord and I was trading by myself, I would simply just wake up as normal, go do my thing during the day, wait till lunchtime, which pre-market opens. I would do exactly the same thing, add the top gains to my watch list, look for 1 or 2 trades and be done. It's very simple for me, right? And I've got to a position where I'm able to identify reversals very well, especially during pre-market and with the top gainers, as members know. So for me, it only takes 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes for me to find my trades. Yes, I don't win every day, but I do win majority of the days. The majority of the time I win is because I manage my risk very well. I take profits if I'm up $5 and rather than losing 3% on my plays. That's how I trade. I'm a very ultra conservative trader. All I want to do is see green. If I'm making $3 a day, I don't care as long as I'm making money. Obviously, I'm not making $3 a day, but you understand that I'm looking there to take profits. I would rather make $3 on the trade than lose and hit my stop loss. Okay? You are in the trade and you are also trading at the same time. We are all trading at the same time. I give members the target, stop loss and all these things, but you are trading, right? You don't have to sell at my first target. You don't have to sell at the stop loss, these kind of things, right? You can build your own way around your risk management strategy that you've developed. I have one in the Discord, but the thing is, if it's coming down to my stop loss, okay, I will simply just hold it then. But if it's near my first target, I will sell majority of my position, move my stop loss to my target, to my entry, and then so on. I'm here to make money. I'm not here to lose. So that's what I do. I have a very high win rate because I take my profits very quick. Yes, I do leave a lot of money on the table, which is one of my flaws, I guess, as a trader, but I'm still working on that. I'm trying to develop it every day and get better, to be honest. When do you determine the VWAP level is more important than other times? I don't. I just wait for it to close above and I'll enter. Majority of the times. I guess I'm going to go for breakfast. Let's go. MNTS is up. Very nice. So I'll simply just add this to my watch list. Am I going to enter now? No. Why? Highest point of the day. Go to a larger time frame. Identify, okay, where are the key levels? I won't be trading this today. Since it is a sub $1 stock, I don't trade sub $1 stocks. I rarely do. If I do, it's probably because of Hassie alerted it or it's a crazy good setup. But these are your levels for, what is this? 0.8. These are your levels for MNTS at the moment. But yeah, it looks good. Former runner, it's got absolutely rocked recently. Key levels. But yeah, I just keep this on my watch list. Definitely no reason for me to enter. Definitely no... Yeah, I don't see any reasoning to enter this. I don't see anything for it at the moment. Looks good though. Up 17%. Nice. BNZI. I think I just did that one. BNZI. So look here. You see, do you understand why I told you not to buy here? So if someone bought here when I was mentioning, right, over here, you're currently down 8%. So right now in this position, you're down 8%, which is way past the stop loss that you should have if you're day trading. Okay, and now you're probably doing the complete opposite and probably averaging down and buying more because you think it's going to go up. Yes, there is a high probability to go up, but when do we know it's going to reverse? We don't. Okay, we have to wait for the confirmation. At least I do. So if I'm looking for my confirmation, I would wait for that, then I would take my entry. I'm not going to be buying a stock that keeps going down, 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 down. Why? Why am I going to make it hard for myself, you know? Hollow, I don't know. It's halted at the moment. I can't do anything, unfortunately. CLSD, nothing unless 203. Close above 203, you can entry. Demand zone, maybe this is your demand zone around here, 150. 150. Buru, what's happening with this? Is it back down? Buru is alright. I don't know what's going on with it. It's just like ranging. Nothing yet on Buru, unfortunately. WW is going to do what you're saying. He's coming down to VWAP. Yep, so now it's at VWAP. Maybe this is a safe entry. Personally, I would just wait and see what happens in 3 minutes. But it looks good. It's very, very nice. Remove this, you know. That's what you have. Nice, Andy. Well done, bro. Stop loss, use it all? Of course. I have to use a stop loss. I am the biggest culprit of using a stop loss. Everyone in the Discord knows. If you do not use a stop loss as a day trader, you're going to be a very unprofitable trader. My stop loss is always 3% from my entry. Nvidia to 140. Let me ask Nvidia quickly. Nvidia, are you going to go to 140? I don't know. What do we think? Right now, yes, it's bullish. 140. You have your next levels are 136 and then 140. 136 first. But yeah, it's pushing up pretty big. Very nice volume. Obviously is there because this is a nice large cap. Yeah, personally, I would wait for maybe reload at 130 level. Good look for it there. For me to enter Turb, I need above 285. Otherwise, no above 285, no entries. So Turb, no entries unless 285. Rhyme. Yeah, Rhyme looks good. Let me look at something quickly. Yeah. I would just wait for that VWAP close above, personally. Wait for that close above, then you could look for the entry. If you want into now, you can go ahead. Lays. Guys, there's nothing on Turb for me. I'm not interested on it. Lays, wait for 922. Close above 922, entries. See, do you understand, right? I'm no magician. I'm not a market maker. I just understand price action and I understand how to trade properly. And I understand that I do not gamble. I don't care if this thing was up 700,000%. It means absolute bullshit to me. Nothing. Zero. I'm looking at the chart and I'm understanding what is going on. I told you that if you bought up here, it was a stupid decision and that you have no brain cells. Was I right? Yes. Why? Because it was at the highest point of the day. It's now down 17%. And I know there's one person here, at least one person who's in this now, and they're freaking out and they don't know if they should cut their loss. They don't know if they should buy more. They don't know what to do. And the problem is that they entered the trade because they thought it was going to go up. Okay? There is a possibility it can reverse. Of course, yes, there always is. But there is no reason why you should be holding on this if you're down 15, 16%. Cut your loss, very small, 5%, and move on to the next trade. Wait for it to give you a setup, then enter. Do not keep bag holding. Do not keep averaging down. Don't keep doing the same shit that makes you lose more and more and more. You know what you're doing wrong. 99% of traders know what they're doing wrong. They're FOMOing, they're chasing, they're full porting, and they're just entering for no reason. And that's why they're losing. If you look back and really step back from that and understand full porting, FOMOing, and having no reason why you're getting in, right? That's just giving you what? A red flag. It's telling you do not enter. Why am I entering? This is the stupidest thing I've ever done. Learn why you're getting in. If you can make an educational decision and understand why you are getting in the trade, you will probably win a lot more times than you will lose. Something as simple as drawing a downtrend. It's very simple to do. Look, draw the downtrend. Anyone can do this. My fish can do this. He can click on this downtrend tool and draw it. If it closes above, he can enter the trade. It's that simple. But if you're going to just keep buying when it's going down, then you are going to lose because it's going to keep going down. Do you understand? It's very easy to understand that. People make trading very difficult because they have RSI, MACD, all this bullshit, right? They have all this shit going on in their head and all this thing because they think you need it. You don't need any of that stuff. Discord members know I don't use any of that shit. All I use is VWAP. That's it. I don't use RSI, MACD, Fibonacci, all this stuff. It means nothing to me. Zero. I don't know what it does. It doesn't mean anything, right? They think because I've traded for a long time that I know everything and I know all of this. I don't. I know how to trade, and that's because I look at the charts every day, and it's very important to do so if you want to become profitable, you know? Blue is over $1, orange is under $1. You can have my fish. My fish is a very profitable trader because he listens. He listens. Nemo. Actually, it's Dory. It's Dory. Dory's my fish's name. So look here. If you are looking to enter this, there are two ways. You can wait for the downtrend to break or you can wait for 203. Is it risky? No, because you're entering for a valid reason. Okay? Do not enter now unless it breaks and closes above. Very simple. WW or VWAP. Do you understand what I said? Like I said, and I'll say it again, I'm not a market maker. I just understand how price action works. If you were here at the beginning of the stream, I said VWAP acts as an area of support or resistance. If it's above, it will use it as resist or support. It's above, it will use it as support and go up. If it's below, it will go to VWAP and reject. There is no magic tool to this. It's very simple when you start to understand. That is a very simple 4% you could have made on the trade. You see? You see? Does that make sense? Right? Teaching this everything, all of this is in the Discord. All of it. WCT, unique. WCT, very low volume. Personally, nothing for me. If I'm looking to enter this, maybe above 567, but I don't know. There's IPO, reverse split. I don't know what's going on here. SONN, what's happening with SONN? For me, nothing. Very simple. Yes, it's up 6%. Is there any volume on it right now that I can see? Nothing. Downtrend break could be your entry. Otherwise, nothing, fortunately. OTRK, nothing on this. It's in a downtrend. Just leave it alone. I mentioned it earlier today. Wait for 292, close above, then you can look for your entry. Cool, chicken on my foot. What platform are you using? This is Weeble. Look at the top left. Weeble. This is the chart that I'm using. Do you look for body to close over falling wedge? No, I always enter inside. Okay, this is a very simple thing. If it's a bullish pennant, a falling wedge, ascending triangle, these are all bullish chart patterns. A bullish means what? It means that the price is expected to go up, right? So why are you going to trade a falling wedge, a bullish pennant, and wait for the breakout if it's already supposed to do that? Do you understand? I always enter inside of a bullish chart pattern. I never ever enter the breakout. I do not trade breakouts. That is not part of my strategy. I only use the 5 minute. I don't use any other time frame. I don't use the 1 minute. I don't use the 3 minute. I don't use a daily, weekly, 2 minute, 30 second, 5 minutes is all I use. It works for me. I'm not saying it's the best time frame. There are many ways. You can go onto YouTube, Google, StockTwits, wherever. There are many ways that you can see the best day trading style and all this. I teach what I know and what's made me profitable. 5 minute works best for the way that I trade. If a body closes above a resistance, that confirms a breakout. Simple. A fake out is if there's a wick rejection. Like this. This is very easy to understand. This is your resistance line. I say this every day. Please, everybody save this. Put this as a screenshot, whatever you need to do. There are flashcards of this in the Discord. Members, you guys know that already. So you can see this. This is a very easy thing to understand, okay? You need to understand this before trading. If you are trading and you don't understand this, take your money out and learn this. This is called a breakout. This is called a fake out. Why is this a fake out? Because the candle has not closed above. Okay, this is a wick rejection, fake out. No body close above. Body close above, breakout, fake out, breakout, fake out. Okay, easy to understand. What time frame it doesn't work on? Any time frame. New members, new people, you need to understand there is no time frame. It doesn't matter. Cut the whole time frame bullshit out. Day traders use smaller time frames, 1, 5, 15. Okay, very easy to understand. However, what time frame does this work on is the question that everyone's going to ask. It works on every time frame. Whatever time frame you desire, it works on. The lower the time frame, the less confirmation. You do this on the 4 hour, higher confirmation will go up. You do it on the 1 second, lower confirmation. All right, that's it. What YouTube videos did you learn from? I just learned from that Reina Teo guy, but then from there I just learned how stock markets work. I learned support, resistance, candlesticks, price action, chart patterns, and so on. And then from there I kind of just developed my own strategy from there. But what I do in the Discord is I've given my whole strategy to everyone, and it's there so they can cut out all the bullshit and spend 20 years trying to find a strategy, which I have given to them, personalized to everything there, handheld to you to do what I do. It's all there, everything, a whole seminar on it. Risk management plan, how you trade it. I explain it every time, every day, so people know. IMRX. IMRX, nothing on this right now. It's just ranging. So what I would do is I would wait for a break above 277. Close above 277. Maybe you can look for your entry. IMRX, wait for a candle to close above 277. When I say close above, you can use any time frame, guys. You use 1 minute, 5 minute, 20 minute, daily, weekly, whatever. You can choose. You can choose. I've just told you what time frame I use, so you choose. LGMK, nothing right now. Nothing for me on this. Very bearish. Even for your entries, I always only trade on the 5 minute. I enter on the 5 minute. I trade on the 5 minute. I only use the 5 minute time frame. That is it. I have my strategy based on the 5 minute time frame. That's it. My strategy is in the Discord. If you don't know it, you will probably know it from Twitter. You've seen it. If not, join the Discord and you can learn. All right. All right. All right. All right. But that is what people pay for, whether you like it or not. Confirmation is key. Exactly. Just waiting for something as simple as that will change everyone's life as a trader. Who's the 40 watching didn't like? Yeah, lazy people. Lazy people. 44 people liked it. And we got 80 people in here. Lazy, lazy, lazy. Lazy people. I've mentioned lays and what needs to be done on lays. If lays closes above on the 5 minute, yes, I would enter. Yes, I would probably look for an entry. I know it's above VWAP. Looks good. It ran 83% yesterday. This was a very nice setup. Gave it to you guys in a bullish pennant here as well, which was nice. Discord guys made nice money on it. Took a bit of time. But yeah, it was actually a very nice trade. Lays looks good. Very bullish setup. So I like to use the 4 hour to identify my key levels. So just where the major levels are, 17, 19. Then we have around here. All right. So these are your next, levels. So lays, key levels. Lays, key levels. Lays, key levels. Right, how many likes we on here? 40, 50 likes. Come on, guys. I told you we're getting 100. We're getting to 100. Buru is in a bullish pennant, yes. Correct, yes, correct, yes, correct. This is a bullish pennant, like this, like this. Where do I enter? I always enter inside of this pattern. I enter anywhere inside. So now enter inside. I do not enter the breakout because it's bullish. It's expected to break out. Why am I going to wait at 124 when I can get it at 120? You understand? Simple, simple, simple. If you want to enter lays, go ahead. Am I going to enter it? No. Make sure you have a stop loss, Abdo. Please, 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 please. Please do not trade and enter without a stop loss. If you're going to trade without a stop loss, please focus on that. SPY. Lucas, are you in the Discord? If you are in the Discord, say yes. If you are not, then I will tell you why. The reason is because I will explain to you why in a minute. If you tell me if you are in it or not. If you're not, then you're not. But I will tell you if you are. Right. All right, cool, like this. Yeah, so Lucas, the reason why I asked is because there's a seminar on it. If you can write in the Discord on the trading floor, I will send you the link for it. But it's under Premium Education. Go to seminar videos. It's over there. Go to candles. But you can also just go to Premium Education. You can go to flashcards, and then you can see what it is, what the strong bottom wick is. So I will even post it for you so you can see on the premium floor. But it's very simple. It's explained here and through loads and loads of videos that I've done as well. Do I trade SPY? I don't, but I give setups for the option guys in the Discord. Is this all-time high around here? Yeah. Just ranging right now, obviously. No worries, bro. But yeah, just check that out. Close above here, should go up. But right now, if you're looking at it, it's just ranging, right? Look here, this. It's just ranging. Yes, yes, yes. WTO. What about WTO? Yeah, nothing on WTO. It's a load of shit. I told people from the start. Look. Look at this shit. Look. I told you from here already. I told people 2 months ago already about this crap. FT, I have it in the FT. If you go to this page, go onto our Discord or YouTube. Go to Webull setup. Webull. I have to update it, but here's the link to basically copy what I have. How much is the Discord? It's $90 for 1 month, $230 I think for 3 months. But there are limited spots. I'm not sure if there are any, but if there are, then you can join. Link is right here. I'll send it to you. I do not have a Telegram. We do not have a WhatsApp. It's both myself and Hassie in the Discord together. We give alerts, live seminars, live trading, all that kind of stuff. I do not have a free Discord. No, I don't. I stopped doing that a long time ago. My education is not free, I'm afraid. MLGO is still holding on to this. Needs to hold 0.22 or even 0.2. Duo, yeah. Is it going nuts? I don't know. China play, yeah. Yeah, Duo's maybe reversing, but I'm not interested in this. BNZI. So look, BNZI, you should be in this. Closed above. This was your entry point. As soon as this candle closed, that's your entry point. You can use that on the 1 minute. If you want to wait on the 5 minute, then you can wait on the 5 minute for it to close above, like this. All right, you decide. Hey Tiger, yeah, I just sent it to you. So you wait till market opens and see the last top gainers. Watch them throughout the day. No, I do not. So what I do is, when pre-market opens 5 hours ago, I add the top gainers to my watch list. So throughout the pre-market, 1 hour past, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, I refresh the page of the top gainers, which is this website right here. Then all I do is, throughout pre-market, I give setups in the Discord if I see any with the top gainers, like we traded. CTCX was one of them. I can't remember the others this morning, but those were some of the plays that we traded. So I use my strategy that I teach and I trade pre-market. But what I do is, now what I will do is I'll wait till market open. I have all of these plays on my watch list. I will wait till open and see how many of these, let's say 10 or 15, hold into open. Probably only 5 out of the 15 will hold, so then I will focus on those 5. From the 5, then I'll wait and see which ones give me the setup, and then I look for my entries. You like the unfollow me posts? Everybody loves that, and the yellow line. SM, nothing on this, very low volume for me personally. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe entries below, yeah. Nothing really going on. It's difficult for me to look at it when a play is not doing anything. Hollow, still halted. I don't know how you say it's bumping, pumping. Yeah, Abdo, I know, bro. I understand that there are a lot of them. I know that there are thousands and hundreds of thousands of people copying and scamming me or scamming people under my name. I'm sorry, I can't do anything about it. The least I can do, and the thing that I've done, is go onto my pinned tweet. I say I do not have a Telegram and I will never DM you. Make sure to block and report all scammers under my post. Here is a link to my private Discord. Okay, I do not have a Telegram. I do not have something private. I do not have any of that shit. Okay, I'm a normal person. I'm not going to ask you, hey, how's your day trading going today? I can trade for you, all this shit. Okay, if someone does that, it's a scam. Stop falling for it, please, please, please. I'm not disregarding that people don't understand English very well, but I know people who don't speak English, right, are more like higher culprits of this because they do fall for this stuff and they think that it's me. I'm never going to DM you. I'm a normal person, right? I do not scam people. I'm not like that. That's not someone I am. Yes, I can easily say that, but I do not have anything else. Take the time out of the day, 2 seconds if you want to save your time and money. Go onto my page, read the name, Tiger Line Trades. I do not have a 1 in it. I don't have underscore. I don't have anything other than Tiger Line Trades. I have 27,000 followers. You can see that. Look at my posts and tweets. Very simple. Takes 2 seconds to do it. But if you're going to as soon as someone reaches out to you and you're going to respond to them, right, because they have my name, don't do it, right? You'll probably just set up, okay? Leave it alone. I only have a Discord. There is only one Discord myself and Hassan in. That's it. Okay, I don't need to go on this every day. I know there's people who get scammed. There's nothing I can do. The least I can do is put on my pinned post. So if you want to take the time out of the day to do that, do it. If not, leave it. All right. X-Pawn reverse happened. Lovely. I just used top gainers. I didn't. Yeah, exactly. Same exactly what I do. Update on WW. Let me see. WW, we have this, like this, like this. Falling wedge setting up into open. Very, very nice. You see this, Haley? Look. Look here, we have a demand zone. I'm going to use, let's just use this like demand zone around here. But you can see what's happening, right? This is setting up into open. There is a good possibility that this will look like it's going to push up. Yeah, I'm going to be here for like 5-ish more minutes, and then I've got to do some live trading in the Discord for the members. I know there are a few of you that have just joined the Discord. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Please make sure that you are reading your Discord DM because I've messaged you to watch the intro video. All right. This is setting up into open. Fantastic. We'll see what happens. Am I going to enter now? No. Never, never, never. No worries, no worries, no worries. CLSD, still nothing. BNZI, there we go. So if you did take BNZI here on the 1 minute, which broke this downtrend, which was actually over here, right? This was your entry point here. So once you entered here on this candle close above, you made a cool 9%. Very simple, easy to trade, all right? As I explained to you numerous amount of times in this trade setup and what you need to do. So well done if you did. Buru at VWAP, fantastic. Is it above VWAP? I would wait for it to, yeah, I mean, just closed above. Yeah, it's a bit difficult right now, but it is ranging. I do think it will run today, but how much low is it going to go before? I don't know. We have to wait and see. Rhyme, bye-bye. Yep. So you see, this was a very easy setup and what I mentioned. Don't enter unless it closes above VWAP. Did it close above VWAP? No. Did you enter? You guys probably did. Please learn the lesson and understand. Use VWAP, wait for it to close above, then take your entry. Stop trying to buy under VWAP because you're going to lose 99% of the time if you don't know how to trade properly. All right? So I told you what you need to do on that. And that's it. SONN. All right, we have 54 likes. Looks like we're not going to get to 100, so it doesn't look like I'm going to be doing live trading on YouTube much longer anymore. Probably going to take a break on this because a lot of people are lazy just to click that like button. Might seem a bit childish, but it is what it is. It's my choice. Because I'm doing this out of my own time and because I like to teach people and give them education. But if no one's going to give me some likes or just share, you know. BNZI, very nice, well done. CLSD's holding support here, 160. We'll see what happens here. 160, very nice. We have, this looks very good into open. I like it, I like it, I like it. PDYN, this was one of my trades yesterday. Man, I got stopped out on my entry. Sadly. Lays closed above, huge strong bottom wick. I don't know what this is going on, so we'll see. We'll see. But it should continue to go up. Very nice, closed above here. Look left, clean range to the upside now. So it looks nice. MNTS, very nice, closed above, 0.6. Let's see what happens. Buru needs to close above you up. But yeah, it's pushing up into open. Look, very logical. What does it mean if a stock's going up? It means buyers are stepping in, right? Look at the time, 15 minutes till open. You understand? Buyers are stepping in. Why? Because they're pushing the price up and it should continue to go up. That's as simple as I can explain it to you. All right, so Buru is curling into open. Buru is curling into open. No worries, Leo. It's okay, bro. You don't have to like it. I know. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. Rhyme. Nothing for rhyme unless VWAP. Just wait. All right. CTCX still nothing. Wait for the downtrend. KXIN nothing. Leave it alone. All right. Guys, I'm going to be going into the Discord now. All right. I don't know if I will be doing this YouTube pre-market much anymore because it doesn't seem like people appreciate it enough. So I'm going to give it to those who do, and those are my Discord members. All right. So appreciate you guys. I do appreciate all you guys on Twitter. Yes. But I think I'm going to focus a lot more on Twitter. I mean, my Discord moving forward. All right. So have a fantastic day, everyone. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.